Recently, everyone must have seen a big rise in the energy sector and in all the energy stocks. So, what was the actual reason that led to this rally? Is it the right time to use this as an opportunity to buy these stocks? And we are going to find answers for all the questions in this video. And in addition to that, I used this opportunity to take a couple of trades in one of the energy stocks, and I have made a profit of more than 40,000 rupees in 10 days, and I'm going to discuss about that in this video as well. This is Shan here. Welcome back to another video of iTrends. Let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing wonderful, and congratulations to our market as Nifty has hit a fresh all-time high, and also congratulations to those who have made money during this time. And personally, I didn't take any trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty because Nifty has already rallied up so much and there was not any meaningful correction as well. So I was not comfortable to enter, and also I couldn't find any great setups to trade or give an entry as well. And I had other setups and other stocks in my watch list, so I was busy concentrating on that, so I was not able to trade either in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So that was the reason. So coming back to the topic, in the recent times we could see that all the energy stocks are just skyrocketing. So why is it happening? Before jumping into the reason, we all have to know one major thing. As you know, India is a growing economy. Not just India, you can take any country. If a country is in a growth phase, it creates a higher demand for energy. So that's rule number one. And also because of the increasing environmental concerns, massive investments are being made in the renewable energy stocks, and it has become a great attraction for investors. And also, a lot of investors like to invest in energy stocks due to their steady performance and also due to the increase in the global demand. And as we all know, India is the third largest producer of electricity in the world and one of the largest producers of modern bioenergy. So now we might have a question. Is it the right time to buy? So my answer would be, kindly do not rush. So kindly wait for some correction to make an entry, because as of now the prices for these stocks have run up so much. So in case of any profit booking comes, and if you bought it at a higher price now, it's going to fall, and after it falls, it is not going to rise immediately. It's going to take some time. So it is better not to get stuck. So you can start investing in dips rather than buying it in a single shot. So my advice would be, kindly wait and invest. And coming back to my trade, I actually came across this stock Swan Energy when I was looking for setups, and I was really convinced by the setup as well as the sentiment of the energy sector as well. So I was ready to enter not just once but twice, and I have made 40,000 rupees profit, which is 8% return for my investment for both of these trades. So now let me show you guys my trade setup, my entry, exits in the charts, and also the profits that I've made. So now let me show you guys my first trade. You can see over here the momentum was really good. After a big momentum, if a channel is in a falling channel, it means it is a flag. So a flag is nothing. It starts with a huge momentum, and after the momentum there must be a falling channel, and when the channel breaks out, the momentum is gonna be huge. So that's all about flags. So it was actually consolidating inside this channel, and on this day, so this was the price where I entered around 431. I saw the breakout and I felt the breakout was strong enough, and I made my entry over here. And after I entered, I was just waiting for like 3 hours, and I was expecting the price to move up, but eventually it started to fall. So imagine me entering at 431 and the price falling till 434, which is almost 20 rupees, which contributes to around 5% fall. So I have invested 2,50,000 rupees over here, and this happened in the same day. So just imagine investing 2.5 lakhs, and if it falls 5%, in the same day. So I was actually in a loss of nearly 12,500 rupees. But still, I did not want to close this because the momentum in the higher time frame was really bullish. So I actually wanted to wait. So this happened at 3:15. You can see the time down. So the next day there was a 4% gap up. So it closed around 418 on that day. So the next day it opened around 434, and then it went till 460, and then there was a huge selling. I wouldn't say huge selling, there was some profit booking. Okay, there would have been a lot of people who would have just thought this is a big bearish engulfing candle. Oh my god, the price is going to fall down. I never trade based upon candlesticks. Even if I see a bearish engulfing, I don't trade based upon candlesticks. So I still wait, because most of the time a bearish engulfing forms immediately in the next 2 to 3 days, the market immediately reverses. And that's what happened over here. So there was a huge red candle, and after that slowly the market started to rise, and I've booked my profit around this region, around 470. Yeah, so this was my first trade. I entered after the breakout of the flag, and I made my entry around 431, and I had to wait. So this seems like really easy. So you could say like, okay, it went up, it came down, but imagine sitting with your real money and your emotions will start to play. Okay, so this was my first trade, and after I exited, I just started to look for other setups, and I was searching for other setups where I can just find an entry. But I just came back to this stock to just check it out. So when I just came, I just found another pattern over here. Okay, I just found a triangle pattern. Okay, so I made my second entry, and I felt this setup was good and my risk was really less. So this was around 315. I made my entry around 464, I guess. Yeah, 464. And the next day, just look at the momentum. When it opened, it was 2% up, then 2% up, and after that, almost 2% up. So the momentum was like so huge, and it's not like all the triangle pattern that forms can give such a huge momentum. It depends upon where the triangle forms, when it forms, and also it also depends upon a lot of your local cues, global cues, etc., etc. So I just waited. So I had my target around 497. So this is where things get really interesting. So in the morning, the price just hit a high of 496.8, and it again started to reverse back. But my target was 497. So it started to fall down. I had to actually wait. So I did not actually panic here. So the momentum was really good. So the possibility of it moving higher is much higher than falling down. So I just waited for the next 2-3 hours, and by 2:15 it just shot up and it hit my target. So this was the candle where I actually exited. So this was my entry and this was my exit. So over here, even my risk was low, and I wouldn't say the risk was low over here. I was able to bear the risk, so I took a bigger risk, and also more than the risk bearing capability. Only when you know the market is going to reverse, you can be holding on to your positions, because if you don't know, there's no use in holding on to any of your positions. Okay, so these were my trades in Swan Energy, and apart from this, I traded one more stock in the energy sector as well, and very soon I'll come out with a video on that as well. So if you wish to trade scripts like these, you can join my free Telegram channel where I post scripts like these. So the link is in the description, so please make sure to click the link and join now. I guess this video was helpful in understanding how flags and triangles work. So see you guys soon with another interesting topic. Take care. Bye bye. Trade wisely.